The word confident, it describes someone who has self-assurance or belief in their own abilities. For example, when you say she is confident about her skills for the job, you are highlighting her self-reliance and certainty. Whereas the word confidant, it refers to a trusted person with whom you share private or personal information. For example, he told his confidant about the difficult decision he had to make. Here, this indicates that this person is someone trusted to keep secret. The added e at the end aligns with certain French origin words that distinguish between masculine and feminine form. You would use confident, the added e at the end, when you referring specifically to a female trusted person. However, in modern English, confident, that is no added e at the end, is often used as a gender neutral term. If you want to emphasize the gender of the person you are talking about, then confident with added e at the end is appropriate.